chromatography results confirm the purity level.
Good. Let's proceed with the ICP analysis on the next batch.
This thin, translucent, porous membrane, only 20 micrometers thick, contains billions of microscopic pores.
The automated resistance welding system uses vision guidance for precise cell terminal location. Twin electrodes apply thousands.
Proper connection is critical. Verification testing confirms all voltages read correctly before module completion.
All right, lowering slowly. Watch the alignment.
Clearance check, looking good on this side.
Seats confirmed. Hold position.
The systematic pack assembly process continues with technicians routing cooling system hoses between the coolant module cooling plates.
Technicians connect multiple wiring harnesses for module communication, sensor inputs, and contactor control. The insulation resistance test is cycling now. Values are holding steady within the safety parameters.
Hydrometallurgical or pyrometallurgical processing equipment where battery electrode materials undergo chemical or thermal treatment recovering lithium, cobalt, nickel.
Check the atmosphere in the glove box before loading the solid-state materials. I'm running the X-ray diffraction now.
Advanced analytical equipment performs materials characterization to understand battery performance and degradation mechanisms at molecular and atomic scales.
For
first pass yield is down significantly. We need to 5Y this immediately.
The data suggests the issue is in the mixing stage. Let's verify the corrective actions from the last incident.
The digital manufacturing execution system provides real-time production status, equipment utilization, and material inventory across the facility.
Vibration analysis detects bearing wear in rotating equipment. Thermal imaging identifies electrical connection problems before they cause failures.
We provide initial training and ongoing skills development.
The environmental control systems monitor and manage facility air quality, temperature, humidity, and pressure differentials. Solar panel arrays installed on facility rooftops and parking structures are generating clean electricity, reducing environmental impact and operating costs.
Emergency response equipment including fire extinguishers, emergency eye wash stations, safety showers, spill containment kits.
Alert. Perimeter breach detected at warehouse access point 3.
Copy that. Security team inbound. The inbound materials from Shanghai are showing a 2-hour delay.
Reroute the shipment to mitigate impact on the JID production line.
Incoming materials undergo receiving inspection, verifying they meet specifications before entering production. Quality agreements with suppliers establish requirements and testing protocols.
Ensure the thermal management integration aligns with the specifications here.
We check the electrical connections. They seem secure.
The Quality Management System Documentation Control Room maintains controlled documents, including work instructions, detailed perspective of the internal audit team conducting planned audits of production processes, quality systems, environmental compliance, and safety planned outfallen. Production output is exceeding targets, but quality metrics dipped slightly.
We need to address that in strategic.
Overhead view of the facility expansion construction area where new production lines are being installed, expanding capacity to meet growing battery demand for electric vehicles and energy storage.
Ensure the battery modules are aligned precisely before initiating the welding sequence.
Alignment confirmed on this station. Supervisor.
These displays highlight how our closed-loop quality systems enhance manufacturing expertise.
Our partnerships with technical schools are developing the workforce pipeline.
It's inspiring the next generation of scientists.
Accelerated degradation testing, where batteries undergo aggressive cycling at elevated temperatures, high charge discharge rates, or extreme voltage limits.
The event propagates into neighboring cells. Effective pack designs include thermal barriers between cells, flame-resistant materials, and venting.
Testing characterizes remaining capacity, power capability, and cycle life. Pack refurbishment includes replacing.
The analysis considers the complete life cycle, from mining to recycling. Results show battery electric vehicles have the solid-state electrolyte data confirms feasibility.
Yes, but the lithium metal anode scaling still presents a cost challenge for commercial rollout.